drink over there. Yeah, but I'm back with another POV. This is daytime POV. POVs. Camaro sounds good. It sounds like I got an exhaust leak or something. That's what it sounds like. I had to get that checked out. Camaros is so goddamn good. That shit don't make no sense. Like I was hitting the corners and all that, and I was still keeping my damn traction. Didn't feel like I was about to lose it at all. That's why I love Camaros over Dodge. Camaros over Dodge. I even take a Mustang for real. I've been looking at the new Mustangs, them new dark horses. Man, them shits is raw. When I don't let the RPMs build up, it shifts. It pop a little bit, but not how when that shit build up and you shift, man, that shit pop loud as hell, yo. It ain't even in sport. Oh yeah, it is. It's in competitive sport. It ain't all the way in track mode. Y'all ain't know 5th gens got track. That shit sound crazy when you downshift. Yeah. But the damn 5th gens, they got track mode. If y'all didn't even know, you just gotta hit this button right here, or you gotta hold it for like 8 seconds, and then both of the traction lights will go off. And you can do whatever. The camera loud. I'm trying to dodge all the potholes, yo. For real. It's a game of dodging the potholes. They put these in the middle so people won't be speeding through the middle. And I was one of them. Every time somebody driving slow around here, I hit that middle lane and go around there. For real. But now they don't put them shits in the middle to stop people from doing that. But, yeah. I thought it was gonna rain today. But apparently, I mean, it drizzled a little bit, but it didn't do no heavy raining like it was the other day. It was raining hard as hell the other day. I'm talking about, boy, it was raining cats and dogs, for real, for real. Now it's just kind of cool. It's 64 degrees. It feels good. It feels good to me. Mustang. I love Big Maro, yo, for real. She ain't perfect right now, but when she do get back perfect, oh, there's a lot of people at the goddamn car wash.